Do you want a fully custom AI chatbot that's ready to use right away that matches your Canva design and your brand? I'll show you how to use AutoStyle to instantly generate AI chatbots that perfectly match your Canva design and your business, so you can start using them right away. Let's go. When you create your Jotform AI chatbot directly from your Canva design, it uses what's called AutoStyle, meaning it's scanning your Canva design to identify the role of the chatbot. So I'll demonstrate how that works with this example. This is a social media marketing plan. So it's pitching someone on a social media package, and I'm going to create a new chatbot for this. So I'm going to go to apps. I've already installed the Jotform AI chatbot app, so I'll find it here. And I have my existing ones I could use, right? But these aren't really the right kind of role for this. So I'm going to go down here to create AI chatbot. Now it's reading my design. Here we go. So we have a name and a title, social media marketing consultant. That's really important because that title or role is what the chatbot is designed to do for you. And that makes a lot of sense given that this is a social media marketing plan that we are proposing to, in this case, a fake client. But my other chatbots that are designed for explaining research reports and things like that would not be very useful for this design. So having the right role is really important. And it also just has a bit of smarts because you can see here it says the report is prepared by Eleanor Fitzgerald, obviously fictional for this example, but that is who it named our chatbot. So it picks up on all of that and makes sure that it's in alignment with the Canva design that you have open here. And there are a couple of basic color and style options you can change directly from Canva. For more advanced customization and different color themes and customizing the font and all of those things, you can click Advanced Settings to handle all of that in your Jotform workspace. But the most important part of creating a new chatbot for a specific purpose, such as this case, for presenting a social media marketing plan, is having that right role, having the chatbot really understand what it's supposed to be doing. You can preview how your chatbot is going to interact with users by double-clicking here. And that way you can interact with it just like a visitor would. You could also create a share or public link to your Canva document and interact with it that way. Here we see this is, our social media marketing consultant, Eleanor. From analyzing the Canva design, they understand that it's for a fashion company, fashion marketing, and we have a couple of pre-selected options here to explore the marketing plan or review key details about it. This makes it really easy to get started with a chatbot without having to do all the manual setup yourself. It's just analyzing your Canva file and coming up with the basics of what it needs to know to deliver a good user experience. And of course, you can always train it more in your Jotform workspace and customize the look, how it interacts, add voice, WhatsApp, all of these different features in Jotform. But it's just really easy to get started in any Canva design right away. If you have any questions about Jotform AI chatbots in Canva, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more Jotform AI agents tips. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!